I ordered another product from Amazon. Let's go see if it's here. I'll be right back in a second. Let's get started. Okay, I got my handy knife here. My metal knife, and as you see, haha, I'm just kidding. Hey guys, this is Def Crazy Tech coming at you with another tech video. So in my last video, you found out that I got a new iPad, and I was hoping that you enjoyed that video. I've had a great experience with it, and I'm hoping to come out with my next video after this one to be a review of that iPad, and also a review of this I don't know what it's called, like a oh yeah, the tripod. The tripod, I was hoping to have a video come out about that, about a review of it, and yeah, so a sneak peek of that. I'm not having a great experience with it, so but I'll get into that more in detail later. So let's get into today's video. Apple has filed a patent. No, I'm just kidding you. Let's get into today's video. Enough with the pranks, right? So we are going to be unboxing this product right here. And if you're a little curious what it is, we'll find out. As you see, there's something down there. Can you see what it is? It's a Fitbit Flex 2. So, let's get into the features of this product. So it says all-day activity. It also like tracks your sleep and how good of sleep you get. It's also swim-proof, and it has like different accessories that you can hook it onto. As you see, it says bands, pendants, and clips. So like you could hook it to your clothing, or you could wear it as a necklace, or you could just wear it around your wrist. I will be wearing it around my wrist. And then the tracker is this little thing, and it lights up, and I'll tell you what it does then. So it says get motivated, steps, distance, the calories, active minutes, auto exercise recognition, reminders to move, sleep better, auto sleep tracking, time sleep and awake, silent vibrating alarm, wear 3 ways, fits in bands, highs and pendants, slips and clips, accessories and separately. Accessories sold separately. Swim proof, so it tracks your as I said before, your activity in the pool, and it'll track how much calories and that kind of stuff. It'll give you call and text notifications, LED lights and vibrations, and then it says sync wirelessly with iOS, Android, and Windows, Mac, and PC computers. So basically it can connect with pretty much anything. Removable tracker, and it's a black band. So let's get right into this box. So you pull this little pull tab right here, and so I'm guessing you pull sorry guys, I'm trying to find out how to open this. I probably should have. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is like the little charger thing. So it's this little, well, it's a little cradle thing, as you see. It's like tiny, right? But then it's like this cradle thing, and that's how you charge it. So do not lose this. So it comes with a small band, but I do not have small wrists. As you see, this would never fit around my wrist. So let's try to find the bigger wrist. But let's put these products aside. Let's try to pull this out first. And there we go. Okay, so it says fitbit.com/setup. So it has a very lovely, satisfying way to open it, like that. It's almost like an Apple product. Fitbit Flex 2, so it tells you, so you put it in, and then you have to download the Fitbit app. So I'll get into that later. I won't bore you with the instruction, or with the process of doing that now, but this is your instructions and warranty. So let's get right into this product. So we're gonna start by pulling off this little band here and put a cradle into, or not the cradle, the little, I don't know what you would call it, just the tracker itself, into this little band here, and take off this flap. You have lots of flaps to make sure it doesn't come open. Oh, I apologize. I'm gonna need to charge this thing before I do anything with it. So I'll be right back in a minute. Again, I apologize for that. So this was charging, and there were a couple things that I need to tell you about. So I don't know if you saw it, but when we were setting this up, it had 5 little lights. So as you see, each of these represent 25% of your battery life, each of the lights, or 25% of your fitness goal for that day, in like steps. No, sorry, not 25%, 20%. So another thing is, you see this blue light, how it's flashing? That means it's ready to pair to my iPhone. So after, there's one more thing I'll have to tell you, and then we can get this all started. So the last thing is, see that little diamond, or some people will call it a rhombus, right there? It's that little gray diamond right there, right next to the CE thing. Well, anyway, it goes right next to this rhombus, if you see it. So if you put them together, it will match, and that means you'll know whether it's facing up or not. So let's put this on. It's so simply, you adjust it to the length you want it, and then just like that, and then you can turn it around just like I am, and then there, it's ready to pair.